guys, so hopefully you've watched my intro video, so you've got a little bit of a background on the pentatonic scale. It's the easiest one, and what we're going to do, I'm going to show you 5 patterns in the key of A minor. Yeah, and we're going to be doing our minor pentatonic, so it's A minor pentatonic, yeah? We're going to start with position 1 on the 5th fret of your big E string, which is an A note, hopefully you know that by now, and then we'll work down from there, yeah? What you have to do if you need to play in a different key, you literally change your root note. So we'd start the scale, for example, on a G, and we played exactly the same pattern, yeah? So I'll go to the course, I'll show you this pattern, and then I'll show you how to practice it. Okay, right, so let's learn position 1 for your minor pentatonic scale. So we're going to play in A, so we're going to use our first finger, and we're going to start it on the 5th fret of your low E string, which is there, yeah? I'm going to play that. We're going to use our pinky and we're going to go down to the 8th fret. But what I want you to practice loads is once you've played your first fret, keep that on, then play your pinky. Yeah? So we're keeping this note here on. And remember, our fingers are not moving about, it's going down at different, our hands staying in this little central position, yeah? So you've got first finger on the 5th fret of the low E, then pinky on the 8th fret. Remember, keep your finger on and go down a string. We play the 5th fret of the A string with our first finger and the 7th fret of the A string with our 3rd finger. Then we jump down a string again and we've got the 5th fret of your D string and the 7th fret of the D string with our 3rd finger. So that's the whole scale there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So we've got A, C, D, E, G, and back to our A. What we need to do though to make it so we can use it in songs is play 2 octaves. So we're going to carry on, so we'll go down to the G string, so we're jumping down another string, we're playing the 5th fret with our first finger and then the 7th fret with our 3rd finger. Then we jump down again, we got the B string, 5th fret with our first finger, 8th fret with our pinky, and then jump down again and we've got the 5th fret on your little E with your first finger and then pinky on the 8th fret. How I want you to practice this scale to start with is go just up and down as slowly and as accurately as you can. So remember to keep your fingers on once you've played them. Then you play this 8th fret of the little E string once, then you go straight back. Yeah? With this hand you can do all down picks. Yeah, or you can do all up picks. Or you can do alternate, so down, up, down, up, down. Yeah? Right. One little thing which I need to mention as well, once you've practiced your scale using your pinky on the bottom 2 strings, practice it using your 3rd finger. Yeah? The reason for this is when we start playing some really nice solos and we start adding in some bends, we don't bend with our pinky. It doesn't really make sense to be trying to bend string with our weakest finger. So we use our 3rd finger. Yeah? So make sure you practice your scale with your pinky because it'll strengthen it up, and then use your 3rd finger. Right, so memorise that scale, play it up and down as much as you can. In the next lesson I'm going to show you different ways you can practice it and then start to make music out of it. Remember, always practice with a metronome, so set a metronome, or you can get one on your phone, or if you've got one in your house, use that, and literally just set it away and play it in time. 1 note per beat. Up and down like that as many times as you can handle. Playing scales does get a little bit boring, but stick at it, it'll help you as a guitarist and eventually be able to solo like Hendrix. See you in the next lesson.